Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create photo collage in Google Photos on computer. So how to create photo collage in Google Photos on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Photos on your computer or laptop. This is the Google Photos display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are many menu options here. Next, tap the plus icon. Now a scrolling menu like this will appear. There are many options here. Tap the collage menu. And a menu like this will appear. Next, you select several photos that will be used as a collage. Minimum 2 photos. After finishing, tap the Create button at the top of the screen. Now here you have finished making a photo collage in Google Photos. So that's it, the tutorial how to create photo collage in Google Photos on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.